User experience and SEO. SEO is all about user experience. Google also looks at how user-friendly your website is before ranking it. Google uses many factors to better understand whether or not your website provides a user-friendly experience. Now you'll see how user experience is linked to your site's SEO. What actions are users taking on your website? If a user spends time on your website, moves between pages effortlessly, clicks on your links and returns in the future, Google will see your website as user-friendly. On the other hand, if a user leaves your site without taking any action and never returns, Google will see your website as either poorly optimized or irrelevant. User experience and SEO are both about making users happy. Best practices on how to implement SEO with user experience in mind. These are critical steps that will help you to optimize your user experience. Make your website responsive for all devices, especially mobile. Improve your website's loading speed. And finally, design your website so that it is simple to navigate. You don't need to hire a web designer to make an exceptionally beautiful website. An average website can still provide a good experience, as long as it gives the searcher what they were looking for quickly and easily, and does not interrupt the experience with pop-up ads or confuse the user with random irrelevant images and videos. Examples of good user experience. Here I have searched for original paintings for sale in Cape Cod, and if we have a look at this result just here, you can see the website is very normal looking. There's no bells and whistles, there's no crazy animations, and it satisfies my search intent, which is where to buy original art in Cape Cod. And finally, examples of bad user experience. Here is an example of a website with a very bad user experience. The site is very cluttered, the font is extremely small, the animations are distracting, and the navigation path is very unclear. I would probably abandon this website in frustration, and if enough users have a bad experience on this website and abandon it without taking any action on the page, Google will definitely take notice. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.